Good morning and welcome to the open house preview. 613 Indigo Bay Court, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29579. We'll be starting up in about 10 minutes. Just going to give you a quick preview of this property. All right, it is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage. Just look at everything here. Going through the door. All of this space. Here we are in the first bedroom. Closet. Beautiful paint. Nice countertops. Bathroom. Bedroom 2. Here we are. Living, kitchen, dining area. Look at all that counter space. Plenty of dinners, plenty of room to cook, experiment with that chef's kitchen. Let's take a look at this back patio here. Giant backyard, hot tub, privacy fence. Here we are. Little storage in the back here. You can store, do ceramics, do art, do whatever it is you'd like here. Let's take you upstairs. Here's a bedroom here. Look at this giant closet here. All right. Beautiful bathroom. Amazing work here. And we'll take you upstairs. There's a loft. Amazing bedroom here. Full bathroom. Bedroom. Another bedroom. If you want some more details, feel free to let me know. Come on down to the open